What's going on, guys? Just a very short video today, and it's not really going to apply to 1,500 owners, but I just wanted to get this out there in case you haven't heard and you own a Cummins Ram 2019 or newer. So this specific article is by Roadshow, which is by CNET, but there's a couple other articles on it as well. Just wanted to quickly cover this. It's for the Ram 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine found in the 2019 and 2020 Ram 35, 45, and 5500s. Now, they didn't mention the 2500, so I don't know if this is only something that applies to the 3500s on up because they're a little bit more commercial use. But if you have a 2500, I would still definitely check with your dealer or online to see if there's a recall on your 2500 for this if you have a Cummins engine. And so apparently what this recall is all about is that there's an oiling issue involving the computer-controlled warm-up procedure, which Chrysler FCA announced. And what it does is it essentially starves the engine of oil and can starve the rod bearings during startup because it's not producing enough oil pressure. They say that the recall affects over 32,000 trucks, which allegedly 1/3 of those 32,000 are still on the dealer lots. So hopefully those will get all fixed before they get sold. But there's still, about 20,000 of these trucks that are affected by this. And I don't know, man. It's another case of technology for the lose. All this fancy crap. You pay all this money for this nice truck and these fancy doodads, and one little tiny thing with the electronics can mess up your whole engine. Now, granted, if you have a 19 or a 20, it's likely still under warranty. But, had this issue not been found out until a couple years down the road, you'd be out of warranty and you'd be stuck with a, $10 to $15 to $20,000 repair bill for a new diesel engine. So really, really sucks that, all the manufacturers are like this, not just Ram, but they're all really good about making the product look good and making you want it and, promoting it to sell it. But then the quality or, the stuff like this, just the stupid stuff that can be caused by electronics, can get ridiculously expensive very quick. So if you have a 35 to 5500 in a 2019 or 2020 Ram diesel, or if you even have a 2500, definitely check into this. And hopefully this was informative for you guys. Again, just a quick one here. So we'll be back later this week with another video. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.